Let's talk about how to be prepared for any trip without overpacking. Because no matter where you're going, there are a handful of things that will make your travels easier, more comfortable, and more seamless. After 20 years of travel across 65 plus countries, I have learned that there are 7 travel essentials that consistently make every trip easier, no matter where you're going. And a few of those items might actually surprise you, but they will definitely not disappoint you. Number 1, a Bluetooth tracking device. The last thing you want to happen once you arrive to your destination is arriving solo, as in without your luggage. I am sure you have heard stories of this happening more and more often, but fun fact, it's never happened to me and I'm not gonna let it happen to you. So that's why you need to bring a Bluetooth tracking device with you on your next trip and every trip after that. Whether that's an Apple AirTag, a Tile Pro, or any other Bluetooth tracking device on the market today, just make sure you're getting yourself at least 2 of these, I would say, before your next trip. I personally use the Atuvos item finder because they are more affordable and they work really well. These are incredibly accurate and pair instantly with Apple and Android devices. You just pop one of these in your checked luggage before checking in at the airline desk at the airport, and you'll have peace of mind knowing exactly where your luggage is all the way until it is back in your hand in your destination. And it doesn't stop there. I put a Bluetooth item finder in my day bag when I'm out exploring, just in case I leave it somewhere or someone takes it when I'm not looking, because it can happen. I also put a Bluetooth item finder in my suitcase, purse, carry-on, or any bags that I leave back at my hotel or guest house, just for peace of mind. And if you have kids, you can even put one of these in their backpacks or pockets, or make a necklace out of one if you're going to any crowded places like theme parks or festivals. Another travel essential I never skip is a good pair of earplugs, because sleep while traveling can truly make or break your trip. Whether you're on a long flight, staying in a busy hotel, adjusting to jet lag, or dealing with street noise in a new city, earplugs are one of those small travel essentials that make a big difference. Instead of relying on disposable ones, I'd recommend investing in a high-quality, reusable pair like the curved earplugs I've been using for the past few years. I don't just never travel without them, I never leave my house without them, even back home. And for anyone who feels easily overstimulated in new environments, having reliable noise reduction on hand can make travel feel a lot calmer and more manageable. Curved earplugs are designed specifically for comfort, which is especially important if you are trying to sleep on a plane or get rest in an unfamiliar setting. They sit flush in your ear, making them ideal for side sleepers like myself, and they reduce noise without blocking everything out completely. So you can still hear important announcements like when you're on a plane or alarms. It just brings the volume down for you. They're lightweight, reusable, and take up almost no space, but can make a noticeable difference in how rested and comfortable you feel while traveling. Another thing I never travel without is an eSIM. It is the best way to stay connected while you're abroad, whether that's to chat with family and friends, or update your social media, check emails, or use Google Maps. An Airalo eSIM lets you do all of the above in over 200 countries and regions around the world. If you've never heard of an eSIM, it's a digital SIM card rather than an actual physical SIM card that keeps you connected while you travel. No more needing to track down SIM vendors when you arrive at your destination, or pay crazy roaming fees using the international plans of your home provider. With Airalo eSIM, you're connected just as you would be back home right when you land in your destination, and it's very reasonably priced no matter where in the world you are traveling. And the Airalo app makes it really easy to purchase and set up your eSIM before your trip so that as soon as you land, you are connected. You just download the app, pick a plan for wherever you're going, and you install it. That's it. And once you arrive at your destination, you just go into your cellular data in your phone and switch to your Airalo eSIM. It's really that easy that the very least techie people would actually agree that it's very easy. Airalo offers both plans with either a set amount of gigs or unlimited. So whether you're looking for just enough data to stay connected to family, use WhatsApp, or check emails, or you need an unlimited plan, Airalo has options for you. So wherever you're traveling to next, download the Airalo app, choose your plan, and don't forget to use our special discount code, you'll see on the screen now, for $3 off your first eSIM. I'll also put a link in the video description below so you can go and check that out. Another travel essential that's become incredibly useful for long travel days or anyone who deals with flying anxiety like me is the Calm Carry by Gloco. Travel can be overstimulating and stressful, from busy airports and long flights to new and unfamiliar environments, and Calm Carry is designed to help support relaxation while you're on the go. It works by using gentle microcurrent pulses to support your body's natural ability to relax and unwind, helping to regulate your nervous system, which can make it easier to feel grounded and calm during stressful travel moments like turbulence, delays, or crowded spaces. It's compact, easy to pack, and simple to use whenever you need a reset, whether you're on a flight, in transit, or adjusting to a new destination. So while this may not be something you've even heard of or felt like you needed, I personally have noticed a significant difference traveling with it, especially for people who are deep feelers, sensitive, or get anxious when they travel. If you're looking for a travel essential that supports comfort and well-being while traveling, this is one of those small tools that makes a noticeable difference in how you feel on the road. Another travel essential that's incredibly useful on any trip is a reliable charger cable, and the Satechi on-the-go USB-C lanyard cable is one I always pack. It's a fast-charging USB-C cable that doubles as a wearable crossbody strap, so your phone stays close, secure, and always within reach. This is especially convenient if you're taking photos or videos while traveling. You don't have to keep digging through your purse or your backpack for your phone because it's just right there. It also adds an extra layer of security in busy destinations since your phone stays strapped to you. With 60-watt fast charging and data transfer capabilities, it keeps your devices powered throughout long travel days, airport layovers, or while exploring a new city. Another travel essential that is a must for international travel is a universal power adapter, and the Tesson adapter specifically has been my travel buddy for the last few years. If you're traveling abroad, being able to charge your devices easily is non-negotiable. This compact travel adapter turns a single outlet into a full charging station with multiple plug types and USB ports, so you can power your phone, laptop, camera, and other travel tech all at once. It's lightweight, durable, and designed so your plugs don't block each other, which makes a big difference in hotels, airports, or shared accommodations. This is just one of those items you will use on every single trip, no matter where you're traveling to internationally. Lastly, another travel essential I always pack is lip balm, because dry lips are almost inevitable when you travel. Between long flights, changing climates, sun exposure, and dehydrating cabin air, your lips can dry out pretty quickly, and it is the worst feeling. I don't know about you, but I cannot fall asleep if I have chapped lips. I like to pack at least 3 lip balms, and I put them everywhere: backpacks, purses, pockets, beside my nightstand in my hotel so I can use it at night. And I will link a few different of my favorite organic brands in the video description below, so you can go and check that out. And those are 7 travel essentials that can make any trip easier, more comfortable, and more seamless, no matter where in the world you are traveling to next. Now, I want to hear from you. Did any of these travel must-haves surprise you? And what essentials are always on your travel packing list? Let me know in the comment section below. And whether an eSIM is already on your list or you're considering one for your next international trip, be sure to check out the video description below for your special discount where you'll get $3 off your Airlo eSIM purchase so you can stay connected while you're traveling. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy travels!